Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is James Kaundu, and guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been away from YouTube for the last 3 weeks, and the best way to come back on YouTube is by visiting Nairobi City. I've been doing videos from Nairobi, so today we're gonna be reviewing what has changed in Nairobi the last 1 month or 3 weeks that I've been away. So don't ask me where I have been to. So if you see me not posting videos, it means that something serious has happened, but of course we have to overcome. We have to try and make things work. All right, so we are in Nairobi City, and Nairobi has really changed. As you can see they are putting some cabros over here. This is Moi Avenue. We are starting a video from Moi Avenue. I want to be walking you around most of the parts of Nairobi City to show you how this beautiful city, the capital city of Nairobi, or do we say the capital city of Africa, is looking like. So welcome to the channel. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop me a comment. Tell me, what do you think about Nairobi? What is this that you like about Nairobi? Something strange or something good? I think it's a good thing, because for a long period of time I've not been seeing dustbins in Nairobi, and I've been asking myself, where do people throw garbage? So today I want to be showing you that Sakaja is really doing some good work. Yeah, Sakaja ameamua kuwekea watu dustbins, and they are everywhere. So one of them is here, and we have a lot of people, so sometimes filming them, it becomes a problem. So where it's possible, I want to be showing you. Look at these cabros, very nice cabros that are being put on Moi Avenue. You can see even the lightings. They have some trees. Look at this, very nice space. Sakaja anafanya kazi, is trying to dignify the life in Nairobi, and the matatu mess is still available, is still troubling people. And you see now, when the streets are made and they are looking good, we have now new business ventures that are cropped up. Another dustbin over here. Yeah, Sakaja is really doing a good job. So you can see those guys who are taking photos. They have already occupied those areas that have been made. So this is how Nairobi looks like for the last 1 month. This is what has changed. So let's continue walking around and show you how this beautiful city looks like. This is around archives, Kenya National Archives. Yeah, the Tomboya statue over there. So we are now walking along Moi Avenue. Then I think most of this video I'm gonna be doing it on uptown. So I want to be showing you how uptown of Nairobi looks like, and then probably I want to be doing a downtown video, maybe in this video or maybe in another video. So stay tuned to the end of the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Yeah, so this is the street of Nairobi, and they're looking very clean. I think Nairobi nowadays is a bit clean, and thanks to the dustbin that I've just shown you. Let's just continue walking and see whether there are more. Nairobi has really changed. We are seeing a lot of development. When they removed hawkers from the CBD, I think it was a good move, and I can see there are still some notorious ones that are still available, but overall it looks very clean, orderly. Although it's on a weekend, it's on a Saturday as I'm doing this video, so you can expect during the week it's a bit busy, not like this. So the amount of people that you are seeing, if it's on a weekday, it doubles up. So that's the state of Nairobi. It's the busiest city, I think, in East Africa. So kindly continue watching the video. I want to be taking you to most of the streets of uptown. Okay, so keep watching the video and tell me what do you like about Nairobi. Yes, so let's go. If you're filming in Nairobi, be careful about these motorcycle guys. So that is something you need to note. They are not that friendly, and something is not what I expected here. That portal needs to be worked on. So Sakaja, kama utawatch hii video, or maybe one of your head, that need to be fixed. It doesn't look well in uptown. Alright, so we are still walking around. We're still in Moi Avenue. This is still Moi Avenue, but I am not going to go all the way up to, what do you call it, Central Police Station, because that is the farthest end of Moi Avenue. I want to be changing route around here. So we are now in Kenyatta Avenue. This is Kenyatta Avenue, and as you can see, still very clean, very orderly. You can see the curb rows are also here, but these ones were put a long time ago. So you can see the beautification is happening everywhere. Alright, we are now in Kimathi Street, and as you can see, everywhere looks clean, looks beautiful, and I'm surprised that we have so many cars. I don't know, does it mean that we have quite a number of people that have reported to work on a Saturday? You can see Intercontinental Hotel over there. Sorry, Hilton Hotel, not Intercontinental. Then yeah, it's still Kimathi Street, that is Jubilee House. Then on this other side we are heading to KICC and what do you call it, Supreme Court. I was telling you that around this area, that is where tear gas was concentrated last year, time like this. I don't know whether we still be having another Gen Z demonstration. Yeah, you can see guys are still taking photos around this area. So everywhere looks beautiful, very clean. Yeah, so this is how Nairobi looks like. Yeah, City Hall over there, it's on a holiday. Tomorrow is gonna be, is it tomorrow? Today is on date 31st. So tomorrow being on a Saturday, that's when we're gonna be having a, what do you call it, Madaraka Day celebration. I did not know that we had Mata Hatran today. The people we are seeing on wearing green t-shirts, those I think the participants that participated in the Mata Hatran. So guys, that is something that skipped me. So you can see we have a lot of people that have already finished the Mata Hatran. It's the 60th Mata Hatran. That's what is written on their t-shirt. Oh, that's good. So Mata Hatran is normally a campaign for Mata Hospital that is supposed to generate funds or accumulate funds to give a chance to children that have or have suffered from heart disease. So for those who participated, they did a good thing. I didn't know that it was happening. Yeah, I told you that I have been missing on social media and all platforms for the last 3 weeks. So we are now back in Moi Avenue after walking around the major streets of the uptown. So As you have seen, everywhere looks beautiful, looks clean. And over here, this is, I think, the newest development in town, Moi Avenue getting a facelift. The last, I think, 2 months ago, I showed you the tarmacking. The tarmac that you're seeing was done a few months ago, and you can now see they are already putting curb rows over here. I have seen some guys working on this project, so it's still work in progress. We're probably gonna be showing you when they will have finished everything, but so far I think it's 95% complete. And as you can see, they have already planted some trees. You can see the curb rows looking very nice. Yeah, so it's a good project. Sakaja is doing something commendable. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Yeah, matatus at work. So thank you so much for watching my video this far. Kindly subscribe. You can see the, what do you call them, the dustbins, they are everywhere, and that is a good progress. So I think I have see this one, they are still working on it, and the guys are occupying this space massively to do some business, and as we are also doing some YouTube videos. So kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video. Yeah, we have clocked 2400 subscribers, which is a good move. You can see the guys are working over there. So that is what is happening. Yeah, we are on a journey now to 2500. If this video can be able to get at least 100 subscribers, we're gonna be talking about 2500. So slowly we're gonna get there. So we are getting out of Nairobi. You can see some busy buses